Are you tired of inactive members clogging your Discord server? Learn how to prune them in under 3 minutes and regain control of your community. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prune inactive members, from opening server settings to choosing the right inactivity period and handling roles. Open Discord. Then, open the server where you want to prune inactive members. Now, click on your server's name at the top left of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Server Settings. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Members to see the list. Click the Prune button to open the pruning options. Set the inactivity timeframe to 7 days for a more aggressive prune. Alternatively, you might choose 30 days to only remove users who've been gone longer. You can select specific roles to include. Otherwise, unassigned users are targeted by default. Finally, click the Prune button to confirm and remove those inactive members. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.